Good day, class. Today we're going to write equations in standard form. So if you remember, standard form is your ax plus by equals c. Okay. Now a couple things about the a here. Okay, it cannot be a fraction. Okay, it can be negative, but it cannot be a fraction. Okay, so if it's a fraction, we're going to have to get rid of the fraction, and we'll go over that one in a couple slides. Alright, first one. So we're going to write in standard form, and we're given the slope and the y-intercept. Okay, so you're going to have to pick which equation to start with. The equation that has slope and y-intercept is our slope-intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b. Okay, I can plug the 4 in, okay, and I can plug the b in. Then I need to manipulate the equation so it looks like this. Okay. So let's start by plugging in what we know. So we have y equals, my slope is 4, x, and then my y-intercept is -3. So plug that in. Now, y is on the left, and we want it on the left. Okay. Now, but my x here, I need to move over, okay, because I want the x and the y on the same side of the equation. So I'm going to take my 4x, and I want to move it over there. Now remember, when something crosses the equal sign, it changes signs. Right? So I have -4x plus y equals, and what's left over here, because those went away, is -3. Okay? And now let's look at this. We have -4x plus y equals -3. So I have my x term plus my y term equals a number. So I'm good. As long as this is not a fraction, we're okay. So that's manipulating an equation, changing it into standard form. All right, let's try it again. Again, I'm giving m and b. So I want to use y equals mx plus b. Y equals, now slope is -2, and my y-intercept is 6. Okay, again, I want it to look like this. So I want to take my 2x and move it over. And when I take my 2x and move it over, it becomes positive. So you have 2x plus y equals 6. And again, it looks like standard form. Okay. Those are the easy ones. Let's look at another one. Okay. So again, same thing. We're given slope and y-intercept. So y equals 2/3 x plus 2. Okay. I need to move my x over because, again, I want it in standard form. So I'm going to take my x, my 2/3 x, and move it over. Right. So we're going to take -2/3 x. Okay, so I have -2/3 x plus y equals 2. Okay. Now here we have a fraction. This is where we cannot have a fraction in the a term. Okay, a can never be a fraction. So what makes this a fraction is the 3. So I need to get rid of the 3. Okay, and the bottom number in a fraction, or the denominator, is always a division. So I'm going to multiply everything by 3 to get rid of it. Okay. So if I multiply that by 3, my 3's are going to cancel, and I end up with -2x. But if I multiply that by 3, I also need to multiply that by 3. That gives me 3y, and I need to multiply that by 3. That gives me 6. So my answer is -2x plus 3y equals 6. Okay? So basically, whenever you're a fraction, you're just going to multiply everything by the denominator. I'm going to change this one up here. Oops. Let's do another fraction one. Let's go slope equals 1/2, -1/2. So we have y equals -1/2 x plus 5. Okay. Standard form again. All right, move my x over, so I'm going to add 1/2 x. So I get 1/2 x plus y equals 5. And again, we have a fraction here, so I'm going to take and multiply everything by my denominator. So multiply that by 2, those cancel, and I get x. Multiply this by 2, and I get 2y. And then multiply my c by 2, and I get 10. So my answer is x plus 2y equals 10. Okay. And that's it. We'll see you guys in class. Have a great day.